Matt from the Real Toy Shop. Look what we've got here. Harley Davidson. It's a Heritage Softail, and it's one of the Harley custom paintwork. One of 200 editions. We'll come to that in a second. But thank you for coming back to us, and all you boys and girls who've not been before, thank you for stopping by this time. See these wonderful bikes and crazy cars. Take a look at some of our other stuff if you like. And please, you know what to do if you want to see more. And if you like anything you see in this video, thank you very much. Comments are always welcome. Keep them nice and respectful. After all, we're all riding bikes, aren't we? Right. So, 1450 twin cam. And one of 200 custom Harley paint jobs. You'll have seen these. They come in various guises. One of 100, one of 50s, one of 10s, etc. This is one of 200. So there's only 200 bikes like this in the world, done at the Harley factory in this colour scheme. I think, if I remember rightly, this colour scheme's called Amber Whiskey. I've seen the Amber Whiskey on later bikes, but I thought Amber Whiskey was a little bit more, I don't know, coppery. But then this is very coppery, so yeah. Right, as you look at the bike, lovely condition. Guess the mileage as I'm going round. There's nothing in it for you, just a bit of street cred. And you know, you have a look, see what you think as far as mileage goes. So we've got some nice handy dandy extras, as I'm sure you can see. You don't need me to point them out, but we will. So we've got some nice Harley Davidson Monica mirrors there. Obviously we've got quick release screen. We've got leather tool bag on the front. We've got LED Daymaker style. If they're not Harley ones, I can't quite see. Headlights and spotlights. Tool bag. Bottom forks have been done black. And you can see some little imperfections on there, but that's fairly common, obviously, for a bike of its age. And we've got some chrome fork shrouds on the bottom there. Paintwork looks all good. We've got a fender trim on the bottom. Some mustache crash bars, so you've got somewhere to put your feet. And again, we say the billet style mirror stems on there. Coming round, looking at the bike, engine all looks pretty good. It's not the best one, but it's pretty darn good, isn't it? Fancy dandy derby cover there, set forwards with some nice Harley billet style shifters, brake pedal, and there's a little bit of chrome flaking that you do. It's the alley on the chrome on Harleys. It sometimes goes like that. You've got to remember, 2005 bike. She's a classic now, 20 years old. Passenger footboards with the chrome bottoms on, and they do shine. You can see, look, there's a Triumph in the background, and then we've got a set of Vance Hines pipes, which sound lovely. You tell me what sort of shots they are, because every time I put a shot on, whether it's long shot, mid shot, short shot, someone says, no, they're not, they're something else shots. We've got a like K&N style filter in there. Look, there's me, my bald head. And so she's stage 1 as well. And again, look at that. This one's number 6 of 200, if you can see there. And that's how, oh no, sorry, 46. It's Rossi's Harley. Sure, he'd love that. And look at it, the paintwork really is stunning. We've got the piped seat with the leather studs on the side, some chrome frame infills there, nice white wall tyres. They're all in good nick as well. Sissy bar and backrest. Fender trim on the bottom there, layback plate, and some tinted indicators. We've got the leather bags, studded, so you get plenty of pants in there for the weekend. Under there, we've got a chrome belt guard. Chrome all looks good on the wheels and stuff as well. Tyres are good. Just a nice bike, something that you will love, enjoy, and own. I myself have a 1450 twin cam Road King, which I've had nearly 20 years now, and I love the bike. I know everyone has their own opinion on Milwaukee 8, Evos, twin cams, 1450s, all that, 1590s. Everyone's got an idea of what they like best, but for me, I've stuck with the 1450 twin cam, and it's given me no grief whatsoever. It's an ace bike, and I've toured all over on it, as has the chap who had this. Discerning chap, bought a Springer Softail off us, but he's used this one to tour Europe quite extensively and has enjoyed every minute. Loved the bike. Also, someone's gone to the trouble of putting the braided brake lines on there, which do make a difference to the feel of the front brake. I find I've put them on my own again. So these are little things that, you know, lots of us all do to our Harleys. We all think we're being individual, but we're all kind of go the same way with the improvements. Set of heated grips there, and a Harley bar and shield monikered rubber, and then you've got a screen bag, keep your sarnie, your phone, and everything else in there. Nice comfy seat. I know my missus would be chuffed to bits to be sat on there because it's got the backrest, which, yeah, let's face it, does make your passenger's ride that much better. Sorry for the bright light in the background, but it helps highlight the bike, doesn't it? So what can we do for you on this bike? What can we do for you on this bike? These are all one hit, by the way. There's no messing about and editing. This is as I see it, you get to see it. So what can we do? Well, if you've got a part exchange, which quite often folk have, if you could visit the website, realtoyshop.co.uk.com, whichever you fancy, with a part exchange form on there, if you could fill that in, that gives me all the details I need about your bike, so we're not backing and forth. Might need some pickies, and then I'll get back to you. If you need some monthly payments, that's not a problem. Speak to one of us in the office, we'll look out for you, and we'll put you through with our finance partner with quick decisions and decent rates, all that good stuff. Certainly comparable, and we can sort that out for you. If you like the payments, we can put you through with our finance partners. Not that difficult. Nice and stress-free. And then the last bit of delivery, well, that's me, isn't it? My happy smiling face, unless you're some far-flung place in the world. Look at that. That's your view. And if you're in some far-flung place in the world, it may be our dedicated motorcycle courier. So please, again, go on the website, familiarise yourself how we work it, and then if you're happy, let's get the bike in the van and get it to you. Now, this doesn't mean you can't come to see us, because we'd love you to come and see us. It just means that we'll deliver it for nothing. So if you want to come and have a brew, game of pinball, do what you like, have a biscuit, if I've not eaten them all, then please do. And we'll deliver the bike another day. So come on a rainy day, and we'll fetch it a different day in the van. Next thing, you want to hear it, don't you? You want to hear the Stage 1 1450. What's it sound like with them Vance Hineses? Well, we're going to find out any second now. Once we come around here, once we've got the last thing out the way, which is ask your missus first. What does that mean? Well, if you need permission, if your mother, your brother, your dad, your lover, get it before you call us. Because we have that many conversations. What's this bit like? What's that bit like? You take a picture of this, take a picture of that. Of course we can. Right, that's brilliant, thank you. I'm off to ask my missus. Well, why don't you ask her before you made us do all these things? That's what I say. So, you get the drift. I'm only jesting, but I'm also being serious at the same time. That little Harley monikered dipstick as well, what does that say? Harley Davidson, England. Ooh. Manchester Harley Davidson. Change that if you like, it's an easy bit to change. Right, or don't, if you're from Manchester. Let's go around here. Let's turn it on. Let's see the mileage and let's make it make a noise. Now, old 1450. We know how to start one of these, do we? Right, see the blipper? We've got the Harley Davidson thingy bobby. So you press that twice. Lights come on, look. You'll put that on the seat. Turn on ignition. 25555. I'm sure that's a good lucky number. Probably an omen for you, so get it bought. Right. See how that, as these start, always wind over a little slow, first go, but don't that sound well? There's your day makers, look at that lot, that's coming at you. Don't that sound well? We like that. And before you all get on at me, yes, we'd warmed it up. We'd warmed it up. So, your Harley, Heritage Softail, Harley custom paint, 1 of 200 awaits you in Grimsby. And you're thinking, Matt, I need to get this bike, I need to get this bike, I need to get this bike. What have I got to do? Well, dead simple, isn't it? Number 1, if you've got a Part X, get the Part X form filled in. Number 2, chirp, alarm set. Number 2, if you want some monthly payments, speak to one of us in the office, we'll get that sorted. Number 3, let's just get it paid for. Let's get it in a van. Let's get it to you as quick as we can. That's it, boys and girls. I'm out of here. Well done for getting to the end. I don't know, not many of you make it, so thank you to those who do. Drop a comment below if you have. That'd be wonderful. And yeah, I'm out of here. I'm going home for some tea. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers for now.